Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine, and I hope all of you have done your exam very nicely, okay? And you don't have any problem in your exam, okay? So again I am here, your maths teacher, for your online classes of Gokuldas Public School, and today we are going to start new chapter, okay? Because already we have done 4th chapter, and that chapter you have done in your periodic test also. So now today we are going to start new chapter, that is addition and subtraction up to 99, chapter number 5. So all of you open page number 73 in your books and open your notebooks also, okay? Open your books and open notebook. So today what we are going to do, we are going to start new chapter. Today we are going to start new chapter, addition and subtraction up to 99. So open page number 73, fast. Chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, page number 73. And the name of that chapter is addition and subtraction up to 99. In 4th chapter we have done addition and subtraction, but in that chapter we have done up to number 9, only up to number 9. So in this chapter we will do addition and subtraction up to 99. Okay. So take out new page in your classwork copy. Take out new page. Write today's date here. What is the date today? Write 17/12/2020. Write today's date. What is the date today? Write and start writing chapter 5. Right? Chapter 5. Write chapter 5. CHAPTER. Chapter 5. Right? Chapter 5. And what is the name of the chapter? Right? Addition, ADDITION. Addition and subtraction, SUBTRACTION. Addition and subtraction up to 99. Right? The name of the chapter, addition and subtraction up to 99. This is the name of a chapter, addition and subtraction up to 99. Now see what is the first topic given. What is the first topic? Addition by forward counting. This topic we have done in our previous chapter also. In chapter 4 also we have done this topic, that addition by forward counting. So today we will do this topic only, addition by forward counting. Right? Addition, ADDITION. Addition by forward, FORWARD. Addition by forward counting, COUNTING. Addition by forward counting. Write today's topic, addition by forward counting. If you want to underline, you underline it also. Addition by forward counting. Okay, today we are going to write this topic, addition by forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are given. So we will do 5 questions and I will give you some homework questions also. Okay. So first you write the heading, addition by forward counting. Addition by forward counting. Write fast. Write in good handwriting. Okay. Write in good handwriting. Now see, what is the first question? All of you have written. Write fast. Addition by forward counting. So how do we add by forward counting? When we are counting forward, when we are adding, so when we add, we always count forward. I explained you before also. And in subtraction, we count backward. In number line also, while adding on number line, हम आगे की तरफ move करते हैं. We move forward one step. In and subtraction, in number line, in subtraction, we move backward. Okay, we move backward one step. So in the same way, in addition, keep remember that in addition we always do forward counting, and in subtraction what we will do backward counting. Okay, so what is the first question? First is 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. So what you have to do, you have to count after 20. Okay, so write here COUNT, count after 20. Okay, now first you write this much, then I will explain you. Okay, you first write this much. First write this much, count. Here the question is 20 plus 5. You have to identify 20 plus 5. What will be the answer? You have to write here by forward counting. So what we have to do? We have to count after 20. So how many steps? How many numbers you have to count? कितने number count करने? 5. So make 5 blocks. यहाँ पर जितना number दिया है, that number of blocks we have to make. So 1, okay. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So why I have made 5 box? 5 box क्यों बनाए? Why I have made here 5 box? Because we have to count after 25 numbers. After 20 we have to count 5 numbers. So in 20 we have to add 5. That is why I have made here 5 boxes. यहाँ पर जो नंबर है उतने नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस हमको बनाना है. So 5 number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we have to do? We have to count after 20. हमें 20 के बाद count करना है. Because we are doing 20 plus 5. So 20 के आगे हमें 5 numbers count करना है. So count after 20. Which number will come? 21 next. 22 next. 23 next. 24 and next 25. So what is the answer in last box? 25. So here the answer will be 25. Write it fast, copy fast from the board, copy correctly. Again I will explain you one more time. What is the question? Question is 20 plus 5. What is the question? 20 plus 5. That means you have to count 5 numbers after 20. Why? Because we are doing addition by forward counting. So you have to count 20. You have to count 5 numbers after 20. 5 numbers after 20 count करना है. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 5 boxes बना लिए. Okay. Now what is the next step? That we have to write the numbers after 20. So after 20, which number will come? 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So what is the answer of the last box? 25. So 25 is the answer. Okay. Write fast. B. Now what is the question given there? 55 plus 3. 55 plus 3. So we have to count after 55. So right here, count after 55. अब आपको कितने स्टेप्स काउंट करना है 55 के बाद? 3. सो हम कितने बॉक्स बनाएंगे इधर? 3. सो मेक 3 बॉक्सेस हियर. 1, 2 and 3. 3 बॉक्स क्यों बनाए? बिकॉज वी हैव टू add 3 in 55. That means we have to count 3 numbers after 55. हमें 3 numbers काउंट करना है 55 के बाद, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 3 boxes बनाए. So write the numbers that come after 55. 55 will after 55 will 56, then 57, then last 58. So what is the number in the last box? The number in the last box is 58. So answer of 55 plus 3 is 58. Write it. Write fast. Write both the questions fast. Copy correct from the board. Okay students, I hope all of you have written. If not, you will take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it. Okay. Now we are doing the next question, question number 3. Now see what is the next question. 77 plus 5. Write number C. 77 plus 5. 77 plus 5. That means we have to count after 77. So write here, count after 77. Okay. So we have to count after 77. But 77 के बाद कितना काउंट करना है? 5 numbers. So make 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now start counting after 75. Okay, sorry, 77. So after 77, which number will come? 78, 78, then after 78, which number will come? 79, 79, then after 79, 80, 80, then 81, 81, and last 82, 82. So what is the number in the last box? The number in the last box is 82, 82. So answer of 77 plus 5 is 82. So right here 82. Copy this question fast from the board. Written. Now write the next question. E. You don't draw this line. Now the next question is D. So what is the question? The question is 86 plus 7. 86 plus 7. Try to solve yourself. आप करके देखें आपको आ रहा है कि नहीं समझ में. Do yourself. Do yourself. 86 plus 7. That means you have to count numbers after 86. You have to count numbers after 86. But कितने numbers count करना है? 7. Because we are adding 7 to 86. So first make 7 boxes and write forward counting after 86. Okay. Start doing. I have explained you again how to solve. So write fast. Do your work fast and make sure that you are doing correctly. Don't get confused. Okay, check your answer. What is the first step? That you have to count after 86. Okay, you have to count after 86. अब कितने नंबर काउंट करने हैं? 7. So make 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Make 7 boxes. So now start counting, start forward counting after 86. So after 86, which number will come? 87, then 88, then 89, then 90, then 91, 92, and last is 93. So what is the number in the last box? The number in the last box is 93. So the answer of 86 plus 7 will be 93. Those who have done correctly, very good, clap for yourself. And those who have not done, try to solve yourself. But just now, copy the solution from the board. Fast. Check your answers. Now the last question, E 94 plus 6. 94 plus 6. This also do yourself. Try to solve this question fast. Do yourself. Now I hope all of you have understood how we are solving the questions by counting forward. So this question, last question, E 94 plus 6. Try to solve yourself. Try to solve this question yourself. Check your answers. Question is 94 plus 6. 94 plus 6. So we have to count after. We have to count after which number? 94. So how many numbers we have to count after 94? 6 numbers. So make here 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to count 6 numbers after 94. So we have to make 6 boxes. Now write the forward number after 94. So after 94 which number will come? 95, then 96, then 97, then 98, then 99, and the number that come after 99 is 100. So what is the number in the last box? The number in the last box is 100. So answer of 94 plus 6 will be 100. Those who have done it correctly, very good, but the students, those who are not trying to solve it, try to solve yourself and copy the solution from the board. 94 plus 6 is 100. That means we have to count 6 numbers after 94. So only 5 questions are given in your book, and all the 5 questions we have solved just now. So I am giving you some homework questions. So first of all, you copy the question from the board first. Homework questions. After E, continue writing F. Okay. In the same way that we have done, you have to do. So write homework. Just after E you write homework and write F. Okay. After E you write homework and write F. Right? 68 plus 4. 68 plus 4. After F, G. 55 plus 5. 55 plus 5. After G write H. 70 plus 8. 70 plus 8. Write I. 41 plus 6. So I have given you 4 homework questions. So you do these 4 questions same as we have done in this lecture. That means by forward counting, by making boxes and writing the forward numbers. So first again I am reading the question. See what are the homework questions. 68 plus 4, that means we have to count 4 number after 68. That means in this question you have to make 4 boxes. Okay. Next number is 55 plus 5. In this question you have to count 5 numbers after 55. So you have to make here 5 boxes. H is 70 plus 8. So in this question you have to count 8 numbers after 70. So you have to make 8 boxes. And in the last question 41 plus 6, that means you have to count 6 numbers after 41. So in this question you have to make 6 boxes. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood how to add the numbers using forward counting. Okay. And try to solve these homework questions. Okay. So for today it is sufficient. We will continue with our next topic in our next lecture. Bye students. Have a nice day. Keep prepared for your next exam.